Haas.
Hello, Rebecca. Good to see you.
Thanks.
Go ahead and lay on your stomach here.
Thank you.
Oh my God, what is this? Ladies, do you see these? Look at how high these heels are. I haven't seen a pair like this in probably over 6 months or so. Now, we got to talk about this. See, a general rule of thumb, ladies, when you're wearing high heels, if you're out and about, or if you're at work, these are about 4 inches or so. We want nothing more or longer than 2 inches. That's the recommendations there, because anything longer than 2 inches, and you're wearing those high heels like that, it puts tremendous stress and strain on your lower back. So that can create a lot of problems just by wearing these high heels like this. As a matter of fact, in our office here, we make alterations in our office. That's part of our office visit here. Don't worry, this is free of charge. This is not anything we're going to charge you with. Let's first measure and see how long these are. Yep, like I predicted, 4 inches there. So 4 inches is way too long. So we have my little handy dandy tool here, and we're going to cut these down from about 2 inches or so. So if I start right here, it's about 2 inches. We're just going to make some really quick alterations to the heel. Wow, these are good quality shoes, but you know what? They're getting even better when we're done. Got it. Look, ladies, that's perfect. Look, remember we had a 4-inch heel? Look, now it's less than 2 inches here. This could be almost a flat. How awesome is that? So this is what we do in our office for free. Like I was saying, it's part of the office visit. There's no charge for it. So we got that. Another thing, ladies, is some of you women carry around really big, heavy purses. Okay? Does this look familiar to you? Yeah, right here. That looks familiar to me. Look, this is my wife, Rebecca. As you can see, she's carrying this big, heavy purse. Her one side is forced up higher on that side. This left side is way up higher, causing a lot of stress and strain to the neck, upper back area, through all upper back and through here. There's really some simple solutions to that, ladies. Obviously, lighten the load, take some things out of your big, heavy purse here. Second thing is you can always want to switch shoulders. I'm going to have Rebecca switch shoulders there. The best the best solution to solve this little problem here is a small little petite purse here. Look, this is a small little petite purse that'll go perfect. And as you can see, my wife demonstrating that. The shoulders are not dropping, it's perfectly level. There you go. So that's a simple solution. Thank you. Okay, men, now it's your turn. Look at here. So a lot of men have a habit of putting their wallets in their back pocket. And that's not so much of a problem, but a lot of men have really thick wallets like this. You see how thick this wallet is? It's over 1 inch thick there. They got it in their back pockets. They wear it all day long. They stick it right there, right? Then they're sitting as they're driving or at work. They sit on their wallet. And what happens is with that wallet in the back pocket, it actually forces your hips up higher on one side versus the other. It forces the hip up. You can see how my lower back's going to be twisted there. Hips and pelvis are turned and twisted. Again, creating a lot of stress and strain to the lower back and pelvis area there. So, again, we have some really simple solutions for this. We want to obviously lighten the load and have men clear out their cards, clear out their wallet. Some of them have cards in there for over 2 years or so. Just make it a lot thinner. And for those that don't want to do that, the next best option is we, again, have a service in our office that's complimentary. There's no charge for this at all. When you come in, we just make some simple alterations to your pants. We simply just remove the back pockets. If you can't break that habit, we'll just simply do it for you, and we'll cut the back pockets out for you, as you can see what I'm doing here. Cut the back pockets out, and that way you can't put your wallet in your back pocket. See, we just go like that. Cut that out like that. Here, I'll sit down and do this. And I'll cut it across. Here, this is the new style here, like this. Cut it across. I'll do this one real quick. See? Cut that. And cut this here. There. Perfect, man. This is your solution to big, thick wallets that you cannot break the habit of always sticking in your back pocket like we talked about. Look at this. Guys, this is a new European trend that's coming over to the States. So you guys are going to be the coolest ones wearing these jeans or these pants. So don't worry about it. You're going to be in. It's hip and it's cool. That's the solution to the thick wallets that you tend to forget about each and every day. There you go. Thank you. Okay, now it's the parents' turn. Moms, dads, you know, I have kids. For those of you who have kids, one of our concerns is always heavy backpacks, okay? I see it dropping my kids off at school. These kids wear these really heavy backpacks, and their backs and their shoulders are already slumped forward, their heads are forward, and that's something I want to address today real quickly. Does this look familiar, parents? As you can see, you know, their backpacks are really heavy. They're way up high on their shoulders like that, and they have to lean forward. Again, already causing their shoulders to dip forward, heads are forward like that. That's something we don't want because their spines are developing really fast at this age. And so some simple solutions obviously is to lighten up their backpack, make it a little bit lighter. But what's even easier is loosening up the backpack and actually bring the backpack lower on their backs. So it drops down even further. So we want it lower here. So loosen up the straps like that. Loosen up the straps like that. Now, see with the backpack's down like that, the backpack actually carries lower, it's on their hip or the lower back area. So there's less stress and strain on the upper back, and that's what we want. Does that feel better, kids?
Yes.
These are my kids. This is Taylor, this is Madison, and this is Jaden. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
Okay. Thank you for being my models. Thanks again for watching this video series. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you learned something out of it. Again, I appreciate it. If you need to call the office for a free consultation, you can call, ask me any questions. You can call my office at
818-249-2300.
Again, thanks again for watching this video series. And the Haas family here wants to wish all of you
Health and happiness!